Ooh, look at PALI, Jay. Look at PALI. Look at PALI go. Look at PALI go. Anyways, Dave, Ayo. Good morning. $9. Ooh. Command shift. That thing is just hitting it. Look at that. Breakouts. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 835. Damn. 102%. Ooh, that's a really nice pop. It's a really nice pop. Ayo Curtis, good morning. Virus, good morning. Look at that thing go. 845. Damn. So these guys announced this morning that I'll pull up the article and then we can take a look. I'm just trying to set up music here. Set up some rubbish music. Some rubbish music. Did anybody FOMO into this? Anybody FOMO? I know some of you guys did in Discords. So PALI looks good going into the open. PRZO is still dipping, so that thing needs to consolidate above 170. And if it does, then we can play with this again. And then there's a whole bunch of other names, right? So all these Israel, I can't seem to talk this morning. All these Israel names are really not doing anything, right? So PRZO, HUBC, SPCB has done okay this morning. So that's not too bad. Let me just create a watch list here. Create a watch list. And then we want WISA. Let me go back to PALI. Next resistance for PALI is $1. I'm saying $1. 850. 850 is our next resistance for this one. So we shall see. La, 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 la. Choo, 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 choo. And then I want to set up HUBC on the watch list as well. One more name that I'm missing here. Choo, 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 choo. And then here we go. Yeah, I think so. Maestro, good morning. 152 virus. 152 was the low from last. Like the 52-week low is funny enough. It's 152. So yeah, that would be the level to look at. Are you looking at SPY and Tesla? Yeah. Yeah. Tesla definitely doesn't look good. Good morning, Missy L. I like it. Cool. Of that ES run up, Joe, already? Damn. Damn, well done. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. La, 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 la. Ooh, WISA actually just dropped news this morning. Huh. That's why it had that nice little green candle there. 285. We usually try and keep these split names on the watch list because you really never know. They can take off out of nowhere. La, la, la. They can take off out of nowhere. What's here? La 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 la. Choo, choo, choo. Not signed. Members. Uh, choo, 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 choo. Still going. Okay, perfect. Notes. Yeah, if you look at the daily for Tesla, let me pull it up really quickly here, virus, and then I need to look at the S&P as well. SPY. So Tesla daily. Unless we magically close above 170. Remember that short position we took for Tesla? Oof, that position is gonna pay this morning. Well, paper trade shorts. Look. Millions and millions and millions. 14 million virus. This is gonna be the most valuable paper trade account. It's gonna be 1 billion. Don't you worry. That's yesterday. Forget about this gap down. By the time I close this position, it's gonna be at 20 million. Mm. Isn't that crazy? Anyways, with the short on Tesla, you can never go wrong with the short on Tesla. So this level on the left hand side here. So this was April 2023. Wow, it's coming up to a year actually. Yeah, so Thursday, April 27, 2023. So that's next week. We hit 152. 152 was the low, and then boom, skis. And then that thing just exploded to 300. So maybe that's where we're going now. At least retest that level. We shall see. But yeah, good morning, biker. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. The S&P seems to be bouncing this morning, though Tesla's selling off on its own because they actually have bad news. They're laying off a whole bunch of employees. I was watching like some of these videos, and this lady was like, she was almost sobbing. She was crying because almost because she was like, I showed up to work and my key card wasn't working, and I was like, what the hell happened? And I was fired. Unbelievable. Damn, Elon. Sheesh. Anyways, so the bottom we hit yesterday was actually a retest breakout level, which is interesting. So if I zoom in here, you look to the left hand side, we circled this level in the past. This little white line you see there, that's 103.60 ish. 503, 503.60, 503.60, right? That's the level we came to yesterday. Look at that wick to the bottom of that wick right there. That's the level we tested and then bounced. And then this morning it's kind of green. So 503, 503.50. Let's call it 503.50. So we can stay above 503.50, then maybe bouncy bounce for the S&P, and then for the markets as well. Got the 155s when it was at 163 yesterday. Fire, flames. Yeah, I should have got some. Should have got like a hedge position, but honestly, virus, I don't seem to care as much because it's a super long term position, anyways, and I don't want to be playing like I don't want to be playing stuff in that account. So I just said whatever, just screw it, screw Tesla, screw Tesla. If it goes to 100, then I'll buy a little bit more. Stupid Elon. But anyways, flush to 50. Okay, I thought you meant like $50. Anyway, so yeah, that's the S&P. Let's see what today brings. In terms of like what's happening over in Israel, the last statement that I saw. Oh, Joe 50 is the S&P. Yes. The last statement that I saw from Israel is they're not sure if they want to like seek vengeance, or if they want to, I don't know whatever the statement was. I posted it in Discord. La, la. La, 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 la. Gives has an actual army. Israel is more with who don't have armies virus. Okay, okay. Well, that's we just don't want any more fighting. I think these guys are pushing this so they can buy dipskis and then we move on. So I hope so, virus. I hope so. I hope so. We shall see, though. Right? I think the dip. No, that's okay, virus. I think the dip to with or without this news. I think with or without what's happening, I think the dip to 500 is perfect. Right? People can buy dip skis and then we can move on. We can push back to all time highs. Which I think is what's going to happen. Even if they attack or not, I think if they do, I think we dip a little bit and then we recover, right? So I think the dip to 500 is perfect for dip buying and scaling in and dollar cost averaging and whatnot. And then that's it. That's it. We move on. You know. Anyways, yeah, PALI seems like it's stalling at the top, but it's holding the 9 EMA really well. So I wonder if this thing wants to break out. I would be watching this 850 level. If that thing breaks 850, it looks like it might give us some more violence. CM, good morning. Good morning. Uh, one to say, okay, sounds good, sounds good. Perfect. Uh, la, 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 la. Perfect. Choo, 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 choo. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. So that thing is failing at that resistance there. You're in a short position, aren't you, Joe? It looks like a nice double top there. We might go back and retest the 200, at least if you have. And Joe's busy watching that 50. He wants it to break down and go to the abyss. And what? And flush. If my house was I would be pissed too. Josh. Yep. 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 Absolutely. Yeah. 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 Anyways, Maestro, why are you laughing? Why? 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 Anyways, yeah, Joe, that candle has about another 5 seconds left on it. It looks like it's going to close below, and it did. So now the question is, does it get NSAT now, or does it retest the 9? Does it get NSAT now? PRSO doesn't look too bad. It's double bottom. See, I'm telling you, like, I cannot talk this morning. PRSO is double bottoming above the 50. $1.70. So we can stay above 170. That's not too bad. So Ola, good morning. And what? And thrust. So if you're playing with this thing, make sure it stays above 170. PR. La, 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 la. There we go. Perfect. Good morning, John. Was in their house? Yeah. Humans. It looks like we're T-Rexing here on PALI. A bit of a T-Rex. What's Bitcoin at? 63 still? Oof. BTC 63. That thing's done an amazing job. If we get anywhere close to 70 again, just imagine the hype. Hype. Especially the closer we get to the weekend. Rusty, good morning. Right? Hype. So we shall see. We shall see. So it's running again, Rich. See, we should just wake up in the morning and take a look at that stock because it seems to run every single day. Swing low. $18. That thing clears $20 again. Honestly, just send it. 21.50 is the all-time high now. So break above that, send it to 25 and then $30. Isn't that a funeral song? You're singing a funeral song for the S&P? Damn. Oh my goodness. Wow. Damn, Joe. My goodness. Joe takes a short position and then he sings a funeral song for the damn thing as it crashes. Sheesh. Savage. Well done, Joe. Today, do we know when it will start to trade dog? Trade dog. It's because it says you said your membership stuff was charged. It doesn't like according to YouTube it's not. So see how your name is gray right there. It's not. So you might just have to sign up and then reconnect. Alrighty, so again, PALI needs to break above 850 here as soon as possible. It's trying. 103% there, so loving it. Federico, if you were in Discord, you would have maybe FOMO'd into PALI, right? So PALI had news this morning. The news was posted immediately, like it usually is, and that thing went from $4 to 450 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. Now it's trying to break 850, right? So PALI looks really good. It just needs to break out. PRZO also had news this morning, had a really good run, and it seems like it's just consolidating above a dollar 70 for now. MNDR, like Rich mentioned, that thing still looks good. HUBC and all the other Israel names not really doing much. We want to watch WISA just because it's one of those split names. They had some news this morning. The stock is off 50%, so we'll keep an eye on it. The S&P is opening up green. Well, looks like it's going to open up green, unless it keeps going the way that it's going, and then it's going to visit the grave. So let's see what happens here. There goes PALI. Oof, PALI. PALI said, "I'm the captain now." Broke out $9. Sheesh. Everybody just FOMO'd. FOMO. Printing. Hey, yo, Kimbella, good morning. 99 point destroy 3 landed one which was landing at no man's land. That shows yeah buddy. I don't know. Let's go. I know, Josh, right? Some of these names you have PTSD from trading them because they destroy you if you play with them. But they had good news and the stock has done well. If you're not sure why this thing is pumping, I'm just gonna pull this up really quickly. Whatever that means, right? So don't particularly care in the short term, especially if you're interested in holding this thing longer. Make sure you understand what all this means. Alrighty, because I think the reason why these things run most mornings is because, again, like retail, you like, it's just momentum is all it is. Because not very many people understand what that actually means. Especially from a company point of view, like how much money do they actually make from that, right? So especially the people that jump in immediately, like you don't have enough time to do research when news drops and it's pumping like this. So most people just jump in because there's momentum. So I don't care if the news is, just want to see the volume come in. 850, Josh? Yeah. We need to stay above 850 now that we've broken above it. PALI. Yeah, the 200. Yep. Yeah. Christopher, you guys need to, Christopher, Federico, come join Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty, so it makes it easier for you guys to go through the news when it actually comes out, because it's posted in Discord and there's a link in Discord. You can read more about it and all that stuff. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, please and thank you. Alrighty, so obviously that's a top name as we go into the open. I'm going to quickly look at the daily chart so we don't have to as we approach the open. Again, this is a stupid stock, right? So look at the daily chart. Like, it's ugly. It does not look good. We also know this thing has runs every once in a while, though, right? Because we played with it, right? It pumps hard and then it crashes to the abyss. So these guys did a split on the 8th of April. So last week they did a split, right? And they dropped news this morning and the stock is crushing it. So yep, there goes $9, Josh. $9.20. I want to quickly look at a different time frame as well. I'll come back. I just want to see something here really quickly. So they did a split on Monday and the stock kind of just fizzled out, slowly. And then, cool. Okay. Anyways. Yeah. And oh my goodness, look at that drop. Sheesh. From $9.25 to $8.50. So, yep. Just play the vibes. Lynn, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Don't tell us what to do. La, 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 la. Yup. Yup, yup. Good morning, George. Good morning, good morning. Honestly, if you were to ask my ignorant self about that stuff virus, I would. That's the exact same answer I would give you. Like I think most of it. That's just what it is. You know, it's just yeah. I think that's what all wars are about. Anyways, good morning, Mike. Good morning. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 choo. Anyways, I think COVID kind of set that up in a way though, where people could see other people die, and then it's like, oh yeah, that's a normal thing. That's a normal thing. Kidding. Anyways, Joe, it's trying to hold the 200, so yeah, be careful. It's still below the 90 EMA though, so you might be okay. You need that thing to stay there longer so the 50 can catch up and then act as resistance. Yeah. Learning to walk. No, that's because I don't like to I don't like to say too much on stream. You know, I just want to talk about stocks. That's it. Um, and then yeah, yeah. Nah, I don't mind. I don't mind sharing my opinion, and I love when people share their opinion. But then there's some people that can't handle other people sharing their opinion. Oh, la la la, Captain. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Working out here. La la la. 100% in shows. Yeah. Yeah, no, I know virus. Yeah, people. Yeah, virus. Virus has actually been, on that side of it. You know, people. Yeah, can bounce and yeah, people get very. I mean, it happens all over the place, though. You know, like all over the place. I think as a society, we need to get to the point where like it's okay for you to hear someone's opinion and say, "Yeah, that's cool. That's good. That's your opinion, and that's fine." Yeah, we leave it right there. Yeah, time to make monies. Yep. Good morning, Andre. Yeah, it looks like we bounced off the 200, Joe. We're about to go test the 50 there. Did you take some monies off the table? So back to Pali, guys. Pali came back to retest at 850. We have about 20 minutes before the market opens, so let's see if we can stay above this little consolidation zone here. Alrighty. Mhm. Just setting up before the market opens. Setting up here. When I want your opinion, I'll give it to you. You give it to me, Pablo. What's it? For what? I'm still having issues. This, yeah, TradingView does not allow pre-market trading, unfortunately. Yeah. 420 very low, 1.3. Yeah. Yeah, TradingView does not allow pre-market trading. Good morning, Alan. Uh, and not played today has been great already, Mike. Well done, well done, well done. Again, this is the importance of being in Discord, guys. Right? So Mike is saying, you know what, the market's about to open. I've made monies already, so maybe I'm just gonna sit back and relax. right? So it's important. If you're not a member yet and you show up in the morning and you're like, yeah, let's go the open, right? PALI's up 100% already. Somebody caught that, right? Somebody caught 20% of that, 10% of that, 5% of that, 50% of that, 70% of that. So um, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom, come join us, and stop buying the highs. What's Zach Morris tweeting today? I'll take a look. I'll do that right now, actually. Isn't it funny that Zach Morris has become Come Ooh, Zach Morris got one of those expensive badges. My goodness. Well, I mean, when you FOMO KEVL and it goes up 200%, you can buy one of those badges. He's spamming the S&P this morning and some other stuff, and music videos, spy and music videos. And then he said something about, so you got it. That was 10 hours ago, though. Someone said, can you throw us a banger tomorrow? And he said, you got it. So I guess people are going to be waiting for the next Zach Morris pump, right? The next Zach Morris pump. Uh, and he hasn't posted anything. There's a video here he posted 30 minutes ago, though. He's just bragging. He's like, "Good morning, it's your boy, verified gold Zach." So he's celebrating that he got a gold badge, um, which is vibes, which is cool. But it's nothing to do with, I don't know. I didn't listen to the second part of it. Anyways, is TPED done, George? I'll take a look. Take a look. I would take a look. Ski. Damn, MNDR is such a monster. Um, Azul. Yeah, let me take a look at Mamo. Mamo. Massimo. Yeah, I think I have an alert on this thing somewhere. Yeah, it's been dipping. Yeah, I put that alert for the breakout and it hasn't been executed yet. So 460 is what I have that alert for. $4.60. So that thing needs to show us some momentum to the upside, and then it's gonna send it. Send it. The closer it gets to $3, though, the more appealing it is. The more appealing it is. He said he's not done with tomorrow. It will fly. That's what he said. Tomorrow, KAVL. Damn. I mean, I mean. Oh well. Okay. Okay. Let's see. PRZO, beautiful, right? So nice little triple bottom at $1.70. So if you were paying attention to this one and you let it dip a little bit, well, it found support at 170. So that's not bad. PALI is still sitting below 850, so that thing needs to reclaim the 90 EMA and 850. Alrighty, so 15 minutes to go. I wanted to look at T-Pets. T-Pets. Do, 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 do. I mean, for now, as long as TPET is holding 50 cents, I think there's a bit of hope, but it's just a matter of time, George, before this thing goes back to the abyss, right? So this stock has obviously done well because the price of oil has gone up with like what all the rubbish that's happening in the Middle East and other places. So if those guys decide not to fight anymore, I would be really careful. Then that's when I would say that, you know what, this thing might be done. Alrighty. So for now, there's still hope because there's war and it's holding 50 cents. It might just be consolidating above 50 cents and then boom skis. So depending on your position, if you're looking for a brand new position, even if you're in a position, pay attention to 50 cents and then obviously what's happening over there. Please and thank you. Yeah, PALI really needs to hold this range and get back above the 9. If not, meh. Meh. The shorts have to cover. JAGX. Uh, Kimbella's favorite stonk. 15 cents. Oh, wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. You are right, Kimbell. I need to stop trashing the stock. Yep, 11 cents, 12 cents to 15 cents. Not bad. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Interesting. Nice. So congratulations if you're holding this. Your next resistance is 1550 per van. I'm not sure what your question is, but it looks good. For entry, no. If you're in it, yes, it looks good. If you're looking for a brand new position, you need the next breakout. Oh, no, 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 no. Against, but for it, BTC bounce off 61. Yep. Anything close to $60,000 for Bitcoin has been a nice entry over the last month or however long it's been. However long it's been. So BTC. Now Josh can't seem to help himself. Every Divsky, he FOMOs. FOMOs, FOMOs. WISA, let me take a look. I don't mind WISA. Like I said this morning, we're gonna have to pay attention to this one because it's a split and they have a catalyst. So the level I would be looking at for now to stay above is $2.50 to 55 cents. If we can stay above that range, I don't mind. Right. So as you can see, we're kind of forming a bit of a downtrend here. So I can go all the way to the top to like down there. Right. So we're obviously creating some lower highs now, right? And I can go from that and create a little wedgie wedge. So we're playing games in that little wedge. So we can stay above $2.50. I don't mind, but we need to reclaim that uptrend and break back above the VWAP. So again, if you have a question, please let me know what your position is. Then I can help you out a little bit more. But yeah, we need to stay above 250 and then reclaim that downtrend. Alrighty, Ayo Bulldog, let's go. How are you, Bulldog? Good to see you. Lows of the month for IBIT. Yeah, Bitcoin has been consolidating. So, um, yep. BTTR. Let me take a look. BTTR. TTR. Ooh, that's a nice run. Yeah. These guys had news, right? Or was it BT? BT something X. Hmm. Let me take a look. Yeah, no, it's a completely different stock. Yeah, BRTX. That's the one that had news this morning. Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you, Jasmine. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, this one looks good. I don't see any news though. Let me take a look here really quickly. So BTTR. So Better Choice Board of Directors. Okay, they're doing a share buyback. Share buyback. That's cool. PTPI has news. So Petros receives a positive response from FDA following recent demonstration of technology. Blah 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 blah. So PTPI with some positive news. HUBC is slowly going back for $2. A share buyback. So the company did a split in March, and then now they're doing a share buyback. Hmm. Those dudes are really creating a nice low float. What's the float post split here? Uh, well, according to TradingView, the float is 440,000 shares. 440,000. Um, but again, I think that's the public float though, so they might be doing other stuff. Anyways, good morning, Annette. Yeah, Mike. Good morning, Focus. Good morning, everybody. Ray, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Let's make some monies. Again, don't forget to smash a like, please, and thank you. And all the other things. All the other things. Anyways, so let me quickly refresh this list here. So if you missed it, PALI had news this morning. DYNT had news last night. WISA did a split yesterday and announced some news this morning. Announced a split yesterday, then dropped news this morning. PRZO dropped news this morning. MCBC had news last night. All of these names have news for some reason this morning. Most of them do. except for when you start getting to SPCB. Good morning, Dan. Right, so which is good. I like when things are running, and they actually have a reason to be running, because then you can rely on the move a bit more. So for the most part, we've talked about all these names already, right? So for if you're playing with PRSO, over the last few days though, we've seen like the top gainer open, markets open, and then it just fizzles out the rest of the day. So uh, going into the open, that's PALI. So that's a little bit scary, isn't it? So yeah, PR. So if you're playing with this thing, we have two pivots at 193. So we need to break above that and go for $2. If you're looking for support on PRSO, you're looking for closer to 170, or maybe just watch the 50 EMA, right? So right below 180. Alrighty, so there's a nice demand zone. If you're looking to play PALI, I like that PALI is consolidating it like at this level that it sat at before the breakout, so that's not too bad. So if we can just hold $8, that would be okay, and reclaim 850, and then push back to the highs, $9.20. So let's see what happens. JAGX had news this morning, and the damn thing is looking really good actually, right? So breakout, retest, consolidation, very similar to what Pally is doing, isn't it? Right? So consolidating around like 14 to 15, and then boom skis. If I pull up the daily really quickly for Pally, which I know we've talked about, there's a nice top at 1630. So if you look at that daily candle on Monday, March the 4th, it ran all the way to 1630 and then dropped to the abyss. So that's the last high we hit already. So it's like it's pushing for it, right? So I'm going to come back to the 1 minute. Whenever we decide to break that level, and then I'll look at a different level. For now, though, that's the level I would be looking at. Interestingly enough, that's the same level this candle went to, and then backed off initially. So if it can break above that level, that's not too bad. And then maybe we go for 18 cents and then 20 cents. I don't know what to buy. If you're not sure what to buy, honestly, just sit on your hands for a few minutes. R7. Again, as the market opens, you know what happens, right? Just chaos, people selling, people buying, and all these stocks are all over the place. And then eventually one will emerge as the king of the pampas. So Pali is consolidating well above $8. So I like what it's doing, right? So consolidate and send it. Send it. Send it. We need boom skis today, please. Boom skis all over the place. Boom skis. You get a boom ski, you get a boom ski, you get a boom ski. Everybody gets a boom ski. So again, I like that we came back down to this initial consolidation area, consolidated, reclaimed the 9 EMA, closed the candle above the 9 EMA, and immediately boom skis. So we're testing a supply zone and a downtrend. So anything close to like 875 is going to be a bit of a problem. After that, it's $9. Right? So Tesla doesn't do boom skis. Well, it does when it's crashing. When it's crashing. Can you imagine how much money Kathy Woods is down? Can you imagine being like an investor in Kathy Woods' fund, and you have like millions of dollars? Because that firm has a lot of money, right? Can you imagine giving Kathy Woods your millions of dollars? And then you look on Twitter and everybody's hating on Tesla, and Kathy Woods is like, it's going to $2,000. You really have to believe. Like you really have to believe. It's going to $2,000, and the stock is going to 180 to 170 to 160 to 150, and you're like, huh? Yeah, no, it's the long term vision. But imagine being an investor though. You give her your money, and you're like, miss, are you sure this thing is going? Everything is pumping, and my money is just going to zero. Are you kidding me? Anyways, there goes Pally with a really nice pop, $8.80. But yeah, she did 5 to 10 years. Yup. She's like, just give me 5 years. Just give me 5 years. I know it's going to 150 now. Just give me 5 years. Yeah, right. Somebody's gonna show up at the door and riot. I want my money back. I want my money back. Anyways, there goes 880 for Pali. So if that candle can close above, which it hasn't yet, we have 5 minutes to go. So yeah, they're not closing the candle above because that candle is about to close right below that breakout. So we're still below the downtrend here. So we can find a way to close above 875, and then it's $9. Yeah. She pumps the stocks in the interview for her own firm's benefits. She has a, yeah. I don't know. I don't know honestly. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I wonder if she actually just sells the positions when she does that free bow. That'd be interesting. Anyway, so yeah, PALI on watch. PRSO was slowly dipping back to that 170 level. WISA is back into that wedge, right? So $2.50. HUBC is above $2, which is nice actually. This stock doesn't seem to do anything crazy, honestly. It almost behaves like a massive float, but it doesn't have a massive float. Actually, it does. I don't wonder if that's a glitch or that's the actual float of 87 million. That would make a lot of sense why it's not pumping though, with a float like that. How do you think it's gonna pump? So BTTR is dipping here. We've gone from 70% back to 27%. This is why, honestly, like I advise people to, if you're watching some of these splits, maybe when the news comes out, just give it time to go up and come back down, and then look for the second wave. Because very more often than not, we see these names go up and then they die and then it's over. Alrighty, so sometimes you just sit back and wait. Look at that, guys. Look at JAGX, right? So JAGX went right to that high from the last run up on March, and then came all the way back down. Well, not all the way back down, but again, resistance 1630 for JAGX. So if we can break above that, maybe we keep pumping 503 or 505. That's the question. Z question. Why do I get the feeling it's going to be 503? Yup. I mean, usually you want to say like, oh yeah, we gap down, we bounce up by noon, 510. That would be impressive if we actually went back to 510 today. Yep. 150 for Tesla. 150. 150. I mean, if the S&P is testing 500, then you might see you might see 150 for Tesla. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on PALI here as we approach the open. You notice how none of these candles actually closed above $8.75. Let's go, Sky. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? You're looking for some scalpies today? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see how we open. So we're going to be focusing on PALI at the open. PALI, PRSO doesn't look too bad. I like that it's holding this demand zone above $1.70, right? So, and then there are a few more names, but those two stand out for now, at least for the open. And then as soon as the market opens, I'm sure other things will present themselves, but when we break 500 major flush, yeah, always, yeah, we're talking 496, always. So yeah, KAVL is another one, right? So Zach Morris is saying, oh, the shorts have to cover more, right? And the stock is kind of recovering, even though it's red for the morning. It's down 69 cents, down 9%. So that was the last message on Zach Morris's page then, right? So let's see. What's a guy? Yep. All of this pumping is for KAVL. It's like Power Rangers assemble. Anyways, and the market just opened. So and KAVL with a bit of a pop. Let's go back to PALI, guys. There goes PALI, right? So again, obviously we want to pay attention to PALI. Let's see if this candle actually now does close above 875, and then go back for that 920. It's trying $9. And right back to there you go, right? So that candle hasn't fully closed above 875 yet. It's playing games. A typical market open candle. Look at that. This is why if you're not sure about what to do, like just sit back and relax a little bit, right? Just sit back. Because you see this candle, it's like, oh my God, it's going for 920. And then all of a sudden, 2 seconds later, we're back to $8.50. So that candle needs to close above 875 and then pump it. Yes, I think so. Tuesday, yeah. Yes. Yes. So virus, if you're not sure, always take a look. Always take a look at the. So if you look in Discord, there's a channel that's called like economic data. Every morning, it like spits out what's happening for the day. So it doesn't seem like Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything on the list about him speaking today, though. Yeah, there's nothing on the list about him speaking today. Yeah, there's nothing on the list today. Yeah, Weibo works. Yeah, Weebles. Look at that. PALI is still fighting. Right. So it's fighting. As soon as that thing closes above 875, it has a chance. For now, yep, you're looking for that dipski closer to $8.20. Mamo. Oh, is it actually going to do it this time? Maybe. That candle obviously did not close above 875, so it's up to this brand new candle now to tell us if it actually does close above. And that thing just shot up. That thing just exploded. New highs of the day. Oof, my goodness. $8.40. And look at that. From $8.40 right back to $9. Like it's all over the place. He speaks at 115. I want to pull up that site here. I don't know why it missed it. Damn. I don't know why it missed it. Anybody FOMOing into PALI? Anybody? There you go. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. 115? Okay. You educated FOMO Sky? And you made monies? You sold already, right? Okay, good. Even if you didn't, so you should be green in that position. Right? So I mean educated FOMO on the breakout. 975. Okay. There you go. Technically, that candle closed above now. It closed way higher, but it's gone skis. So $9.60. 965 is the new high. The spread seems crazy, doesn't it? 128%. You did, Sky. Well done. I like it. I think you crushed these scalps in the stock market. So I'm not sure why you don't do them more often, Sky. Like quickly, like quick scalps on the breakouts, Educated FOMO only. Don't try and catch anything special. There you go. So PRSO came back to $1.70. It broke below but closed all those candles above and then boom skis. Right? Boom skis. For total gain of $18, that's all that matters, Alan. Consistently be green and you'll be happy. Consistently be green and you'll be happy, right? If you FOMO, take your monies and run quickly, right? Don't FOMO at the top and then diamond hand it and then watch it go back to the abyss, and then you're like, it's coming back up, right? It's coming back up, right? Ooh, let me go close that position. Let me go close that Tesla short position. Tesla. I like how it was celebrating the paper trade. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, guys? Oof, that's nasty. Oof. I told you guys I would close this position at 20 million, right? Okay, well, there it is. There it is. Tesla short. Are you sure you want to close this position? Yeah, pay us monies. We're going to have the most valuable paper trade account. Ooh, wee. My goodness, Tesla. Sheesh. We could take that paper trade account to the Lambo dealership now and say, hey, crazy. Yeah, Tesla is going for 152. 152. WISA is selling off. PRSO needs to get back above $2. PALI is trying to consolidate above $9, which isn't too bad. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. That hit your daily target and more. Let's go, Virus. Well done. So you're done for the day, or you're rotating those money into the monies into Tesla calls now. Well done. Well done, Kimbella. Well done. Do, do, do. Hmm. Anyways, I'm back, baby. Actually, let's leave that how it is. Let's leave that for now. Perfect. $18. Yeah, we're just kind of waiting for the market to consolidate a little bit and then give us brand new runners here. PRZO still looks really good though. Your next resistance, if you're playing or holding this thing, is $2.10. It looks good. Yeah, it's going PRZO. Right, so this beautiful consolidation at $1.70, even though it broke below early this morning, it closed all those candles above and then boom skis. And it just went from $2.10, that resistance, right to 185. So double tops at highs of the day, yeah, exactly what happened. So please don't FOMO into stocks at double tops unless you see that it's breaking and closing above, please, because that thing just got entered hard. Yup. That's was 215. Dang. Yeah, you put it above the double top, lion. You put it at a breakout level. Did it actually touch that level? Yeah, I would have gone below that double top, because it's a few cents, and I don't know if it makes that much of a difference for you. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's nice. Those brokers that have like a buy and a sell. Those brokers are nice. I find, you can set like a stop loss and set a limit order. So even if you want 215, you have a stop loss at $2. PALI dropped all the way down. There you go. So PALI is actually halted down. So let's see if we can consolidate. It's halted down, PALI. So yep. PALI halted down, guys. La 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 la. Let's see. 30s. KVL is back over $6 now. Yeah, I bet you those dudes are pumping it. They're pumping it. JAGX is still yet to go back and test 1630. HUBC and then KAPL. I'm gonna leave that on the right hand side and then rent. Rent 17. Not bad at all. 192. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above 170 again here. $1.70. And WISA is pushing back to highs of the day again, not including pre-market, but yeah, highs of the day. So like I said this morning, these guys dropped news earlier, and it's also a split play. So obviously we want to pay a bit of attention to it, right? We want to pay a little bit of attention to that name. Uh, 24. There we go. 297. Ooh. Pre-market high was $3.10. $3.10. So that's a really nice pop. $3.10. La, la, la. Uh, I see. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Interesting. 503 for the S&P. Send it. Send it, SPY. Yeah, it looks like the markets are kind of rebounding a little bit. Let me look at the S&P here. SPY. Oh yeah, we're consolidating at 503. So I really do wonder if we stay above this 503 now. 503 was that level, right? That breakout retest zone. So maybe this is it. Maybe that seats. Maybe that's it, Joe. Maybe that's it. Do. Maybe that's it. We shall see. 510. Yeah, that's if he doesn't. That's if he doesn't show up and decide to crash it. 175. Okay. Interesting. Powell's. Oof, the S&P said, nope. Well, I mean, it's still testing 503, right? So this is where we have that line, Joe. So 503.50. So and it's slapping it right now. Damn, nasty. It's slapping it. 503.50. Hey, that thing is gonna get NSATs. It looks like it's kind of bouncing for now off that line. So let's see. Let's see, Spy. What do you have? I think with that amount of volume, it just seems like it has no chance. But it somehow it's finding ways to stay above it. So let's see. And if you're wondering where 503 is coming, 503.50 is coming from, it's coming from like if I pull up the daily again quickly here, it was a bit of a breakout area. So if you look to the left hand side, it was a bit of a double top, right? So 503, and then we broke out and went to all time highs. So it's testing that level right there where that circle is. These are daily candles, by the way. It's the same level that we tested yesterday, right? So yesterday we tested this level. So we're potentially testing this level now to bounce, but we shall see, right? Clearly it's bouncing off that line, right? Like it's fighting it. La 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 la. And it's bounced off 503.50. We're back to almost 504 now. Almost 504, and there it is. And there it is. We just broke above 504. So that line on the daily time frame is acting as a really nice base for the S&P. JAGX is pumping though. Oof. Highs of the day for JAGX. Kimbella, did you FOMO yet? FOMO yet? PALI still halted, by the way, at $8.18. Rents pushed all the way to 1750 and then failed, so resistance at 1750. PRZO support around 170, so it's holding that level for now. And then WISA, not too bad. That thing wants to go higher, doesn't it? It hasn't closed above $3 yet, though, so it needs to close above $3. Erin, prediction for PALI, let that thing on halt, and then let's see what it does. So we went back to 504, but then obviously there's a lot of selling pressure. It's coming back for 503.50. There's a lot of selling pressure, a lot of it, a lot of it. So bounce right back to the abyss. Yep. And there it is, retesting it, and it said nope, 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 nope. Nope. JAGX. JAGX looks nice. Like JAGX is at new highs of the day now. 17 cents. You FOMOed into this thing, Sky, didn't you? Make sure when you FOMO make sure you're not like diamond handling that thing though. Please, please. Because it's a penny stock and I mean, you can see the way the candles are moving, right? Like it's all over the place. All over the place. Yeah. Steve loves this stock. So does Kimbella, right? So they had really good news this morning. If you were in Discord, the news was posted in Discord this morning, right? So there goes highs of the day for JAGX. Okay, Sky. Okay, nice. There goes 17 cents. And if you're wondering what the news is, so this one right here. Alrighty. FDA license. Cool. So that thing is sending it. WISA again, new highs of the day. This time we broke above pre-market highs. Christopher, that thing looks nice. So they announced a split last night and they dropped news this morning and the stock is on fire. Market open, sell off, consolidate, and then boom skis. Right. So this is why we say, hey, please sit on your hands for a little bit. Sit on your hands, let that thing sell off, let it curl back above the 9 EMA. If you waited for that and it sold off and it crossed back above the 9 EMA, $2.50, well, it's at $3.20 now. So sometimes you don't need to FOMO. You don't need to FOMO at the open, right? Yeah, the S&P is still hitting new lows. That thing actually went to 502. Yeah, 502.90. So JAGX just crushed it. Oh my days. Damn. So penny stock. When the market is like this though, people love to play with the penny stocks. Right? When the market is in that state of confusion, people just move on and say, you know what, let me go play some penny stocks. Because PALI is on Halted and it's falling like a tomato. This is why when stuff is crashing like this, it's nice to have those levels in mind. But honestly, sometimes you just sit back and say, let me wait for consolidation because it can keep dropping. Right? You're looking for 750 to 740 here now. Right? But if it's not consolidating, then it keeps falling. So yes, it's one thing to have levels in mind, but sometimes you have to wait. Yeah, we might just do that, virus. We might just keep crashing into the Fed, and then maybe Powell is going to say something to turn the markets back around. We're back above 503, but that doesn't really mean anything, does it? WISA is still bouncing. WISA. You FOMOed into JAGX? I knew it. Kimbella, it was just a matter of time. WISA. Anyways, 1880. Yeah, PRZO has done a good job holding 170 here, which is good, Justin. So that's quite a nice bottom, isn't it? WISA, new highs of the day. Yeah, 196. Okay, 196. And then Powell is gonna come in and say, we never said we were gonna do 3 rate cuts. This is why I don't think it's important for the Fed to yap all the time, you know? Like these dudes need to be quiet. Yap. It's like, yeah, we're gonna do 3 rate cuts. And then no, we might not even do 1 rate cut. Yeah, we're looking for like June. No, you know what? Maybe September. Actually, maybe 2030. How about that? I'm gonna your portfolio so hard. We'll have to trade insurance information. You know, honestly, I think the Fed yeah. Someday I really think it'll be cool for us to sit back and get information like what the Fed does, and why they do what they do. It would be nice. I don't think we're ever gonna know that though, because I think somebody runs the Fed. Who runs the Fed? I don't mean you know how there's always somebody that controls like a specific body. I would like to know. I would like to know who does. Who does? Is PALI over? PALI's getting entered, right? The trend potentially continues. I know quite clearly. Josh, who does? Let me know, please. I want to know. I want to know. Yeah, because the way these dudes yap and yap and yap and yap, um, and even Biden doesn't know what the Fed is going to do, and then he yaps about it. I was too busy enjoying the view, Josh. Good morning, D. So, yep, until Pally decides to consolidate, stay away, right? When stuff is dropping like this, don't try to catch a knife, because the only thing you're gonna catch is violence, and then you're gonna end up on that show on Netflix. You know what show I'm talking, Josh? You know, so yeah, it's halted. Uh, that's the new stock. That's a Zach Morris new stock. Oh my days, really? Of course, they had to be a new stock. Like, there's no way he was gonna keep pumping the same stock. Uh, yup, there it is. Oh my goodness, this dude is making AI memes now. Dude is making AI memes. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna post that for you guys in Discord. For those of you guys that haven't seen this. Uh, Crazy. What is it doing though? Yeah, it's halted at it's halted here at $1.52. $1.52. Yup. Might be on the on halt. I know you guys are gonna FOMO. You guys are gonna FOMO into this as soon as it on halts. You forgot to buy? Yeah, you should have just FOMOed into this thing. You should have just sent it. JAGX though is a beauty. Are you still holding this thing? Are you still holding this Sky? Yeah, I like you. I like you being back to scalping stock, Sky. I like it. I like it a lot. You scalped it twice. I like it a lot. That makes me very happy. You have no idea. Yeah, just be careful though. 20 cents is always a problem. Like always, 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 always. Especially, I mean, look at the amount of green candles we've had from 14 cents to 20 cents. Green candles all the way. So be careful with this scalp. Be very careful with this one. Right. So very very careful, because if you're buying back in and you're buying close to 20 cents, it's a bit of a problem. Your stop loss dates, Kimbella. You already sold? I like it. See, that's what I mean, Scar. That's what I mean. Like, come on. Come on. Love it. I love it. Keep doing what you're doing. Let's go. Let's go. Eval. Someone just passed an eval. La, 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 la. Yeah, good job on taking that profit on that last scalp. The 20 cents is always a problem, Sky. So when you see stuff get to psychological levels like that, be very careful, please. Be very careful. There you go. Tesla? Yeah, Tesla is rubbish. Tesla is rubbish. I see if I haven't said that enough. Tesla's performance in the short term is going to be rubbish. So the S&P is bouncing, right? So SPY is back above 504. You know what's crazy is the S&P is almost back to green, red to green. red to green, red to green, red, and it's actually back to green, back to green. 192, love it, Justin, love it, love it, love it, loving it. Loving it. Okay, perfect. There we go. So waiting for SXTC. If you're not sure what the story behind so Zach Morris, right? I'm gonna pull up the Twitter page again in a second here. I'm gonna pull it up in a second here. Alrighty. So that one looks good. SXTC. I need to clean up some of these names. Copy. Is there anybody in the chat that doesn't know who Zach Morris is? Anybody? Anybody? Let me know, and then we can talk a little backstory. A little backstory. You don't? Interesting. Okay. The S&P is pumping. Spies are nice and back to green. You don't? So this was like a year ago. So a year ago, Zach Morris was being investigated, right? So I think these dudes were arrested. Maybe I think he was arrested. Because what these guys did was they had a group, right? So according to these articles, not saying that it's true, according to these articles, these guys would they you could see the text messages. Again, I don't know if these text messages were true, from like a chat message group, right? So a whole bunch of them, right? So they were arrested. Okay, so these dudes were arrested, right? So because they would, yeah. So there you go. So they would get into a stock, they would communicate, get into a stock, and then spam Twitter, spam these messages, all these, and then people would FOMO. By the time people were FOMOing, these dudes were selling already, right? These dudes were selling as people were jumping in, right? So they had a huge following. So then fast forward a year, somehow these dudes were released, or I don't know what happened, but they're now back on Twitter doing the same thing. Maybe not posting messages, but now he's back on Twitter pumping. He has a huge following though, right? So then obviously people are going to FOMO into these stocks, right? So KAVL was a Zach Morris pump yesterday, right? And obviously 8 minutes ago he posted this one, right? SXTC. He's like, but now it just seems like every other Twitter account. So there's nothing wrong with what he's doing now, right? There's nothing wrong with like this. There's nothing wrong with this. I think the issue was last time these dudes were jumping into these plays and then posting them. I don't know how. Again, there must have been something because there was that coordination, right? So, anyways, JAGX is pumping. It just broke about 20 cents, and you know who's in this again? Sky. BTTR is halted up, Jay. Damn, 21 cents. Steve, how's your position? I bet you're really happy now. So congrats. Congratulations. So again, SXTC is still halted at $1.52. I don't know why these names halt for so long, but they do. Said I had. So let's go back. You sold at 1950, Steve. Congratulations. Well done. There you go, Sky. Any different from putting out crap reports and shorting? Exactly. I bet you that's why these guys were released. I bet you that's why these dudes were, or like that's why it was dropped. I bet you that's why. But you yeah, exactly, Josh. I'm just reading your first comments now. Exactly. I bet you that's why. Because these market makers do the same thing. I think of all these short sellers. They load up on a play and then they say, "Oh yeah, this, blah 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 blah." Oh yeah, right. Okay. Preloading and then dumping into their followers. It's no different from a broker doing sell their customers' products. La, la, la. Exactly. But nothing he did is technical. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. 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 The only thing we mentioned about these Zach Morris plays is you want to be very careful because at some point everybody's gonna dump. There's no fundamental analysis that goes into this other than vibes. Uh, thank you, Dan. Thank you. Yeah. La 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 la. Monies. Monies. So yep. Yeah, you just want to be careful when you follow these large groups into something because you know they're gonna dump it at some point. Get in early, get out quick. Exactly. That's it. You're playing with nothing different from like not different from any other momentum play we play with, right? So get in and take your monies and run. If you miss, like if you get in at $2 and it goes to $3 and you take your monies and it goes to $7, whatever, you made monies. Move on. In 60 seconds, there you go. So this damn thing is still halted. These halts take a long time. I don't know if they halted for longer because they're getting in. You never know, or because they're investigating something. They're making sure he's done nothing wrong. I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know. JAGX, what a monster! Look at that run. That candle went all the way to 2150. 2150. So congrats if you're still in there. Congratulations. Here comes 21 cents. There goes 21 cents. 21.60. There goes new highs of the day. $22, 22 cents. 81%. Sheesh. I'm telling you, like those like the top gainers for the day, for some reason over the last few days, Justin, they become like the biggest pump and dumps. There goes that. Yep, 22 cents about to break. Sky, it's telling you, I'm loving that. Keep crushing it, Sky. That's exactly what you should be doing. Exactly what you should be doing. You should maybe designate a day for scalping momentum plays. Like wake up every morning and just check, see if you can find something you like, and if you don't, then go back to futures, right? So, but I like it. I like it a lot. Make those monies because I think you're really good at that. Yeah. I think you're really good at that. I think you're better at this than well. Anyways, Ron, good morning. Yo 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 yo. How you, Ron? We're waiting for Ron. We're waiting for actually JAGX is on fire. My goodness. If you're holding JAGX, type in yes in the chat. There goes 2270. Sheesh. My goodness. 23, 2350, 97%, 98%. Damn. 99%, 100%. Sheesh. So again, congratulations if you're in this thing, because it's fire. Just don't go red, please. Don't go red, please, and thank you. Please and thank you. I need to replace these. Yeah. Yeah, SXTC is gonna take a damn long time. I think we waited what 30 minutes, 45 minutes yesterday for KAVL. So we're just waiting for this thing to get on halted. Just waiting. The S&P technically is holding above on any time frame that's important. It's holding above 503.50. So, um, right, if we can stay above 500, that's not too bad. The market needed a dip, like really needed a dip. So, and JAGX just made new highs of the day. On fire, on fire. My goodness, Kimbella is today is Christmas for Kimbella. Her favorite stock in the whole market. Well done. Well done, well done. Uh, with the one pennies, Justin, that's perfect. I like it. 2450 is the current high for JAGX. Let me quickly look at the daily time frame, see if we have anything here to worry about for resistance. Post 20 cents, yeah. I mean, you're just looking at psychological levels at this point, like 25 cents. All these round numbers is what you're looking for. Because I mean, look at this drop. When you drop like this, you don't really create like resistance support levels. I mean, you're just basically looking for round numbers to look for as when it comes to resistance, or you just wait and see when the stock is actually stalling, right? And then you call that resistance. Because for now, it's just hitting highs on highs on highs, highs on highs on highs. Well done, Freebo. And I wonder if this candle is going to give us another high. And the answer is 3, 2, 1, yes. And brand new highs. Higher lows, higher highs. Crazy candle on Tesla to 150 or what? There goes 25 cents. New highs of the day. Uh, Looking to get out soon, Kenny. Well done. Well done. Well done, skis. Might need to delete these messages, delete these emails. You know how like when you sign up for a specific newsletter and they just spam you every single day, and then anyways, I just need to block the email. That's what I need to do instead of deleting stuff. Uh, hmm. Mm-hmm. Anyways, is that the 1000% stock? Maybe. PALI is getting entered, right? So number one on the list every single morning for the last week or so has been getting entered every single morning. It's like, oh, it's number one. Yeah, as soon as the market opens, it's gonna be number not one. So yep, trash. Right. Absolute trash. La, la. Tesla is at a green candle above the VWAP. Yeah, the S&P also had a nice fat green candle. A nice fat green candle. Next entry for PALI. Justin, be careful, please. You know what happens, right? We haven't had a name, Justin, that's done what that thing is doing and then recovered, right? So it's just lows and lows and lows. Your hope though is that we stay above 650 or we stay above the 200, because if your entry is 628, that's way below the 200, right? And when these things go below the 200s, right? So you want that thing to stay above the 200 here if you're going to play with it. Yeah, Gorilla had news this morning. Going really tight, 10 shares right now, averaging 10 to. Okay, sounds good. Smaller position sizing here. So JAGX, like we said, the next resistance would be, you're looking for psychological levels. So that 25 cents is acting as resistance now, right? So yep, we're selling off. Can play the vibes, don't try and catch the bottom unless you see that it's really consolidating, right, Sky? Especially for you. Like your scalps work really well because the momentum scalps. If you're trying to now catch the bottom and it's not actually consolidating, and then it becomes a problem. So for now, let's see if we can stay above the 9 EM and then get back to 25 cents. back to 25 cents. If you're just waiting for SXTC, type in yes. If you're just sitting back and you're like, I'm waiting for the stock to unhold, type in yes. Type in yes. Look at these criminals. I know, right? So you're all ready to FOMO. Ready to FOMO. I know. I know. Don't you worry. I know you guys are waiting. Yup. Don't worry. We're here. We're all waiting. Come on hold the damn thing. FOMO is through the roof. Through the roof. Anyways. Through the roof. To BTTR session highs. Captain? Yeah. Ready to throw 700 in it at EN? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, don't overextend yourself when you play with that stuff, please. Right? Manage those positions. 170 is still holding really well for PRZO. Holding up really well. Yeah, it looks like the entire market is actually Tesla is really going. I don't want to go look. Actually, I was gonna go look, but I shouldn't. Tesla's virus is trying to get me to look because it's at 150. I will stay strong. No. Yeah, 200 pounds. Yeah. BTTR. Yep. Almost at the highs of pre-market, Virgo. So $9.10 is your next resistance. But yeah, we're sitting in that supply zone. Yep. I think these guys played a smart game by breaking Tesla below 160 in pre-market. I think they played that really well. Really well. They knew exactly what they were doing. Virus? I know. Just waiting. Email. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, R7. And there's really there's nothing there. Come on. I'm telling you, something else is going on behind the scenes. So just be careful, please. Be very careful. Right? Is it a coincidence that like the second Zach Morris name is halted for like so long? Is it a coincidence? I think not. I think something else is happening. Yeah, is accurate, Pablo? Exactly. Just again, play the vibes, but be very careful, please. Be very careful. Either someone's halting this and taking longer because they're making sure he hasn't done anything wrong, right? Or they're jumping into this with him. Market makers are like, come on, join the party. Wait, let me, or something else. Either way, just be careful, please. Don't. La, la, la. On crypto and crypto 3 days. Let's go, Josh. Easy go. $9 again. Thank you. Well, it did really quickly, but it's still the same resistance, right, Jay? So that double top from pre-market is still acting as a base. Plus, you have a supply zone up there. So $9 to $9.10, I think is the level that I mentioned. Yeah, it's dropping from that zone. So eventually, at some point, if it breaks above that, then that's cool. Did you take some profits, Virgo? Why does the price change if it's halted or suspended? Because so when it's halted, it doesn't mean somebody doesn't put a bid in there, right? So when a stock is halted like this, people put bids, right? So it's mostly about the bid. So that's why when the stock is halted up, it opens higher, because people look at this and they're like, it just halted up, right? Do I really think it's going to open at $1.50? Not a chance in hell it's going to open at $1.50. So let me put my bid at 160, and then somebody else says, wait, I want to go in. Let me put my bid at 170. No, wait, I want to go ahead of you. Let me put it at 180. Right? Same thing on the downside. Like when it's, when a stock is going up, you have bid stacking, right? Bid stacking. When it halts down, everybody's like, excuse me, the stock just halted down. Yeah, right. I'm taking my bid off the table. And then the stock opens way lower, right? So it's all about the bids when these stocks are halted. If you're watching JAGX, let's see if we can stay above 20 cents. 20 cents would be a really nice retest, right? So it actually retested almost to 20 cents right there. So when you break above 20 cents, you know it's going to come back for the retest, right? You know it's coming back. $9 basically, Jay. Congratulations. That's perfect. Yeah, as soon as that thing doubles up there, you might want to consider taking profits. Maybe it's going to give you a cup and handle and then go back up. Still though, you want to secure some profits. Secure some profits. It's trying to reverse. WISA. Consolidate back above the 9. Yup, it's trying. It's trying. It's trying. I like it. Um, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Let's get to 100. Please and thank you. What are we waiting for? Ready? Let's smash the like. Please and thank you. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord, please and thank you. Look at that thing go. You caused FOMO, Sky. A bunch of AMC calls this morning, Jameson. But why? Why, Jameson? But why? Oh my days. Why? AMC calls? AMC calls. I want to look at the daily. AMC is coming on 52-week lows. There's no daily chart to look at. Yeah. Oh yeah. SXTC is sus. It is sus. But there's FOMO though. You were bored? You could have bought anything else calls. Anything else. SPCB. Yeah. Yeah, these plays these maybe that's a sign. Maybe that's actually a sign that the market is gonna rebound. Because these plays are dropping now. Drop it like it's hot. Maybe that's a sign. Yep. People are done with this Israel plays. Time for the markets to pump. Yeah. And there it goes. WISA. Sky, did you FOMO into this? Of course you did. Of course you did. And you sold already. WISA. So the more money you make, Sky, you created the FOMO, you did. The better you do, the more you should scale back, right? And make sure you don't overtrade. Thank you. Alrighty. Virus? Oh my days, you had to find a way, huh? Unbelievable. Maybe I should have bought some more Tesla virus. Maybe I should have bought some more. I just don't want to add any more Tesla though. La la la. WISA. Yeah, SXTC still halted. I don't think it's a coincidence. I think what's most likely happening is they are halting it longer to actually investigate. They're halting to investigate. Just an artist drawing on charts. I like it, Virus. I like it. Get it back above 160. There goes PALI. PALI with a bit of a bounce. a little bit of a bounce. So at least it's still holding above the 200, Justin. And it looks like JAGX is holding 20 cents, which is exactly what you want to see. That candle came right to 20 cents, right to 20 cents, and then back to 21. Sold at 310. Well done, CM. I like it. Yeah, so 20 cents, psychological level, right? Entry. Uh, yeah, exactly, R7. Exactly. Exactly. I don't think it's a coincidence that like this stock has been halted for this long. I think something else is going on. Jameson, if AMC squeezes, yeah, I'll be cheering for you. Absolutely. It's a really nice small position, Jameson, and you're green in that position. Ice cream rich. Yeah, that's fine. That's absolutely okay. Oh yeah, so annoying. Oh my goodness. When no, Jameson, you can't. No, funny. Apparently, the stock is permanently halted. Wait. Wait, what happened? Suspended for a week? Really? Wait, let me go look at the Nasdaq site, please, please. Uh, Let me go look at the Nasdaq site. Does it say T something else? Nope. It's actually no. It still says like volatility halt. It doesn't give us a resumption time though, so that's the problem. Everything else on this list gives us a time that it's coming back. This one doesn't. Uh, where did you see that? Yeah, this one just says volatility halt. Uh, yeah, yeah. See, this thing was supposed to come back at 9. Anyways, who the hell knows? $1.50. It will go there. Yeah, $1.50 is nice. Wait, PALI just dropped some news on stock tweets. Okay, was there a reason for that though? They might have looked at very sus. Okay, yeah, they might have found something somewhere else, and then. Yeah, I mean, we wait and see. We just have to check the official site. If it's going to be halted till next week, I'm sure we're going to get an SEC filing. We're going to get a NASDAQ update filing. There should be something better than somebody's opinion, though. So we wait and we see. If it doesn't on hold, that thing's going to open up way higher, way higher. In less than a minute, that's what it says. Okay. Jack X is really bounced up 20 cents. That's perfect. The good thing about 20 cents is we tested and it consolidated for a few candles and then boom skis, which is exactly what you want. Do, do, do. We'll resume in less than a minute. Where did you get that from? There it goes. 270. Oh my days. 278. And here goes all the FOMO people. Is it halted yet again? Is it halted again? It's just a matter of time. Either halt up or halt down. It's gonna happen. There goes 290. Oh my days. Oh my days. Nope, it's not halted. It did go to 290 though. Damn, 280. It's suspended on your broker. They're like, nope, nope, not happening. There goes 290 again, 294. Damn. If you FOMOed already, type in yes. Oh my goodness, $3. Damn. 3 or 4. Damn. Oh my days. Wow. I'm in the party. Just don't stay too long, please. There goes 317. My goodness, 160%. 270, you got 270? Okay. Yeah, it's up to you though to decide when, yeah, it's up to you to decide when you're ready to leave the party cuz yeah, this thing is going to be super volatile. Super volatile. So, you can only sell it R7, yeah. Yep. I mean, this is impressive. The fact that some random dude can just spam a random stock and it goes up like 160% is pretty impressive. So that's what the SEC that's what they don't want, right? Based on nothing, you can basically make up anything, and pump a low float. So China Pharma, China, wait by the door. These candles are going to need to close about $3 if we want to run any higher. So obviously there's a supply zone. Even I don't know if I trust the supply zone, but there's a supply zone there. So $3 resistance, obviously, and always Nairo, always. That's how the market. That's how the market works, right? Retail is here to provide liquidity. It's dropping now, Freebo. Yeah, and double topped. Tomorrow for T plus 1. Nice. Yeah, I think that's perfect. I think that's good. A good step for retail. La, la, la. One more time. That's what you want? Yeah, 90. It's close. It's very close. One more fat green candle and you should get it. There you go. There you go. There you go, Justin. Boom skis. Beautiful. To 25 cents. Love it. There you go. Congrats. Congratulations. Yeah, it looks like we can't seem to close about $3 though, right? So clearly this is resistance. Clearly, there's a lot of resistance. So if you're selling at resistance, there's nothing wrong with that. Out of scam, there you go, Gail. Right. So some people are taking profits. Some people have a bigger stop loss. That's fine. You just have to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Clearly, Michelle. Clearly. Did you come back for the new Zach Morris pump, Michelle? Oh my days. You bought at resistance. You bought at $3. Oh my days, Michelle. Oh my days. You're gonna need that thing to break out. I mean, we saw what KVL did yesterday, right? It somehow found a way to break out. So there's resistance at $3. If it can close a candle above $3, it's gonna send it. If it doesn't, well, I'm not even gonna talk about support because there's no support on this stock. There's vibes. There's only vibes on this stock. There's no support. So people panic, it's gonna drop to the abyss. But it needs $3. It needs to break and close above $3. So for now, we watch. Uh, let me pull up. Yeah, Lynn. It's May 28th. Dan has posted that a few times too. So beginning on May 28th, the new standard for settlement will become the next business day after a trade. So yeah, the volume, yeah, 1.2 million. Yup. It's fighting, like it doesn't want to give up yet, which is good. Which is good. Volumes. Come on, just go back above $3. Is Zach Moore saying anything else, guys? Let me go refresh. Let's go refresh. No, nothing. There's been only one post, right? He's like, I like SXTC, running hard, yeah. See, like that's it. Like that's it. That's it. Like there's no fundamental research. It's just pump and dump. So make sure you don't go hold the bag. You want to see what KAVL is doing now? By the way, this is why we don't play with these names when they're dropping like this. PALI is still dropping, right? So please stay away. So you no longer need like the T plus whatever codi for your money to settle. So your money can settle in one day. T plus one. Um, anyways, so KAVL will be running soon. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that, right? So this thing was at $9 yesterday. It's at $4.95 now. So clearly, it had that massive run up when he put out the tweet, and it's been selling off since. So if you end up holding a bag, you're going to need a miracle for that thing to go back up. So don't hold bags, please. Please. Come on, SXTC. It wants to go. Like it wants to go. It's building a nice base. It wants to go. Buying, they're restricted buying. Okay. There we go. 286. $2.86. 289. 290. Send it. Send it. $3. Uh yeah, if it breaks below 20 cents, yeah. Final one for you, Justin. Well done, love it. And there goes $3, Michelle. You're back to even. Yeah, so these plays kind of seem to have a bit of a pattern, right? They pump and then they dip a little bit, but they don't really crash. They consolidate, and then go boom skis again. KAVL did the exact same thing. Exact same thing. Like it would not die. And there goes boom skis. Sheesh. Sheesh. Damn. Yeah, it looks like this might be the first candle that actually closes above $3 though. The first candle. Wild. Wild. So you should all be green, and then you just have to manage that position as you see fit, right? So again, this is a pump and dump. So don't hold bags, please. Yeah, still a lot of resistance. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance. I mean, that candle is still back to retesting $3, right? So and there it is. Like the candle is still below $3. And it closed below $3, and now they're opening up a brand new candle at $3. So clearly, that's a lot of resistance there. 280, love it. Yeah, you're green now too. Uh, Yeah, no, exactly, Sky. Exactly. This is good for scalping. Like you take your monies and you run quick. If you end up diamond handing this, be careful. Be careful. Find a pattern. So this one has apparently it has a well. This one has a 600,000 share float, right? So 550 according to TradingView. So and then if we look at KAVL, it's also another low float. So he's looking for these low floats. Um, yeah. So this one has a float of 900,000, Pablo. Yeah. Or the beginning of a pattern. Yeah. So it would have been interesting. So they're both splits, right? Low float splits, which is interesting, right? So SXTS TC is a split. KVL did a split at some point, right? This was a while ago though. They did the split, Pablo, right? And then SXTC, these guys did a split not too long ago. Um, Actually, no. Hmm. Both of these names did splits like a few months ago. Spice tumbling, yeah, not surprised. So October split for SXTC, KAVL end of January. They did the split, which is interesting. So we're basically looking for old splits. I think he's looking for names where like there's not that fresh. When a company does a split, there's fresh eyes. Also, there's fresh pain from the people that are just that held into the split. So I think he's looking for these splits that it's either done the split and crashed, or they've done the split and uh, and um, and it's sold off really nicely and it's consolidating. So like if I look at the daily for this one, like this one looked like absolute trash, which is interesting. So you're having to go back a few months. I think he's looking for ways. He's looking for the stuff that nobody's gonna guess because it was 3 months ago. It was 6 months ago, Pablo. It's almost a penny stock now. Yeah, at $1.50. $1.50. Michelle loves AMC or Michelle hates AMC. So clearly, this stock cannot stay above $3 and it's dumping. So again, pump and dump. Please don't diamond hand. Your next support is $2.35 ish. Already. SPY is going to the abyss. Let's take a look. Yep, SPY is at the lows of the day. Lows of the day, SPY. Damn. That thing looked like it was coming back a little bit and then said psych. Psych from green to deep red. As long as we stay about 250 at 240 here for Justin. 240 needs to hold for SXTC, and that's fine. Raw, okay. IGC, highs of the day. Crazy. I think you think we have a fat sell off coming? Probably. 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 Doo-doo-doo. Probably. There you go. Now that you sold your meta position, I need to go buy some dips. I'm kidding. Watch the market turn around and said, ooh. Ooh, $3. Ooh, CM. Love it. Love it, CM. Well done. Double bottom, curl back above the 9 demand zone, pumping. So there you go. Nice entry. Well done. Well done, skis. Yep. Stocks that are sitting above the 200 always have a chance. Always, always, always. Stocks above the two. Oh my goodness, that thing is going, CM. Dang. $3.25. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. That's a really nice pop. A really nice pop. Cheering. Why do I feel like I am at a horse race, Katie? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's take a look. HUBC, PALI. Uh, yeah. I mean, yeah. Let's see. And then HUBC, is it above $2 still? Yeah. These names give you a little bit of hope, and then straight to the abyss. Yeah, Michelle, probably for the best. Yeah. $3. Yeah, probably. Probably. Hmm. And 158? Yeah, I doubt it. Wait. Sugar lumps? What? A trifecta on sugar lumps? Interesting. Very interesting. Uh, la la la. A ticket. Ticket closed. Okay. Speaking tops and shorting is easier than playing the upside, but somehow puts are for losers. Puts are for losers. Puts no. This last week, Josh, puts have been for winners. Puts are for winners. Puts are for winners. This last week, puts are for winners. That was that fight at the end was aggressive. Virus was watching. That fight at the end was something else. Those dudes just decided to yep. Yep, at the very end, they're like, you know what? Let's throw hands. Let's throw hands. It's over now, anyways. Let's throw hands. And pump and dump day. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, WISA looks nice. WISA. WISA. So doubles up at $3.30, but yeah, it looks nice. WISA. Na. Damn, what's slacking on the likes today, guys? What's going on? Do we not want to smash a like today? Smash a like. La. I'm gonna stay out of you guys' sugar lumps conversation. Thank you, Daryl. Thank you. Uh, mm, trash, trash donk. Good morning, pizza. Ayo. well, well, Josh. Well, well. Oh, look at WISA. Oh my goodness, WISA just took off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That thing said bye. Bye bye. 360. Good job, Sky. Good job, CM. Well done. Yeah, 280 was a really nice entry for you guys. Really nice entry. So congratulations. Renell, you jumped inside. Well done. All I see is a sea of reds. Yeah, that's the that's the supply zone. That's the indicator. Well, the market is dumping though. The market is dumping again today, pizza. And not that day. Eh? What happened? We could not get 2 red days. Now we have multiple red days. Anyways, has a public visa. Close your eyes instead of saying wusa, say wisa, and uh, and pump it. Oh my goodness. La, 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 la. We are spoiled? I know we are spoiled. You know we are. The S&P is down like point, but you know we are. You know we are, Josh. You know we are. You know we are. Yeah, the S&P is actually bouncing there. Oof. It's a nice little bounce. A nice little bounce. WISA. Yeah, WISA is still sitting at the highs there, so 350. Markets only go up. Markets should only go up. You know? Markets should only go up. GOEV, highs of the day. Interesting. Highs of the day. Oh my goodness. That's so stupid, pizza. Rate it at a 0. Maybe they're going to contact you and say, what did we do wrong? Then you can say, well, maybe if you fight, maybe if you send them another, like if you respond to that email, maybe they're going to send you another one and say, like, tell them this is ridiculous. No, 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 no. Yep. Yes, I did. There goes new highs of the day for WISA. WISA. Yeah, buying those accounts and it affects like it's candy. I know. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep. The amount of monies, oof, into some Tesla puts, oof. Well done, Sky. Good job today. Enjoy the rest of the day. Don't come back. I don't want to see you in the chat again. I don't want to see you in the chat. Don't come back, please. Much love. Have a wonderful rest of the day. And see you tomorrow. Ready? Very rude. No, no, no. That's because Sky's been crushing it today, so I don't want to see him over trading, Michelle. la, la. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Choo, 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 choo. Ooh. Damn, Jameson. Okay. That's not bad at all. 260. Yeah. $2.60. Another tweet from Zach Morris. That's why it's bouncing like this? Of course. Of course. What did he say now? He said, I love this stock. He said, I love this stock. No, no, no. And then boom skis, the damn thing bounces. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful, please. Don't end up holding bags. Let's go. Come on, Mark. I love the work you're doing. Keep it up. I just got $1,800 for a vacation and headed out. Talk to you soon. Mark, have the best time. Take a break because you need a break. And then safe travels and talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. We will chat other names. Mark, alrighty? Be safe. Let's go. Can I borrow $6? Let's go. Yeah, Mark is off to vacation. Monies. Vacation time. Yep. A bit of a curl. Okay, 21 cents. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, as soon as that thing broke below 20 cents, it was destined for the bridge. So now it looks like it came back and it's consolidating above 17, above the 200. So, yep, watch that candle closely if we can close above the. It looks like we actually closed above the 9. So, let's see. Some lose vacation money, yo. I have no plans of repaying you. Nope. What's the S&P doing here, though? What is it doing? Michelle, you want to see your favorite Tesla? You want to see Daddy stock? Tesla is Tesla's about to get NSAT. NSAT. Anyways, yeah, the S&P looks interesting. La, 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 la. La, la, la. La, 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 la. That's rude. Tesla. If Tesla closes above 160, I would be impressed. I would be very impressed. Increase should have halted up. No, the market makers no. The market makers no care. Very rude. Very rude. What's WISA doing here? Tesla calls? No, I don't have enough shares to sell Tesla cover calls. I don't have enough. I don't have enough Tesla shares to do that. Otherwise, I would be writing some Tesla options. It's dipping, Peter. What's JAGX doing? Oh. Yeah, JAGX is JAGX is going down. So as soon as it went below 20 cents, it was a bit of a problem. So That I have your name for what? Mm, mm, against your shares? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, Virus mentioned that it would have been amazing if I did that the last few days. It's just it's in a longer term account. So I don't want to be playing both sides. Yep. I don't want to be playing both sides of the rubbish. Can I actually do that? Hmm. Fives. 268, 267. Okay. Who's having Oreos? Oreos? I want Oreos. Uh, Thanks for the moolah. Yeah, make your monies and move on. It's going back up. So yeah, 280. 280. This weekend. Hmm. Mm-hmm. La, la, la. AMC is getting some volume. Well, I mean, I mean, what's the S&P doing here? What are we doing, Spy? What are we doing? Let me look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour charts. Yeah, Spy could if Spy if Spy closes below 500 at some point, oof, oof, that thing is gonna get slapped. Slapped, I tell you, slapped. Slapped, I tell you. Anyways, back to SXTC. Yeah. Yeah, no, Jameson is actually green on those calls. He's actually green, Michelle. One five. Okay. No, no, no. Mm, 0, 0, 0. Mm, sell, 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 sell. There we go. Dipping, dipping. What else is moving here? What's the latest on what's happening in Israel? What's latest here? I just want to look at the news feed. I want to look at the news feed. Do you guys think? Do you guys think the S&P's hit the bottom yet? America's largest bank, stronger than expected, met with monetary policy. 21% of those in the US are estimated to be working at home in 2024 compared to 27% in 2022. Blah, blah, blah. Numbers, okay, cool. Janet Yedlin was speaking. On the table, all options to disrupt Iran's terrorist financing are on the table, blah, blah, blah. Counterfeit version of Botox found in multiple states. According to the FDA, counterfeit Botox. People are making fake Botox now. Interesting. They're going back up. I wonder if someone's fighting again. Yeah, Michelle. Yeah, in Discord, in the breaking, not the breaking stock Twitter news channel in Discord. People are making fake. You're gonna get drafted. Yeah, no thanks. No, thank you. Absolutely not. So 15. Uh, from to okay. Choose. Breaking down a trend. Okay. Place will hide under a rock. Well, I'm not gonna say yes to that because that would imply that. So no, Peter. No, Peter. I will not be hiding under any rocks. Please and thank you. Uh, there will be no rocks. Okay. 15s. Here we go. Is JAGX done? What's your position, DB? Let me know. 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 Yeah, if you have a question, just let me know. Because asking if a stock is done is not like it doesn't help you out in any way, you know. Because that thing could bounce right there and then go back down. It could, you know. So, anyways, it would be a stone. A rock is too big. Yeah. Nope. No comments. I'm telling you guys, my real height is 5'11". Anyways, la 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 la. Counterfeits. Freebo, counterfeits. Anyways, a stone. Blah 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 blah. I'm in Nigeria. Well, you are. You are. So. So. Anyways. If I do Yep, knows exactly where where he is today. Exactly. Satoshi Nakamoto, Josh. I mean, Josh is buying all the dips in Bitcoin, so that so give me a 200% runner. AMC calls, Michelle. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah. I mean, you might need to go look for one of these low float splits, Michelle, and hope that Zach Morris pumps. Might need to go look for one of those names. You know, you know better. Well, you're invited. Podcasting. No. La, 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 la. Hmm, cool. Cool. You know better. Yeah, you might have to go look at that splits list. Watch the S&P go from red to green again. Red to green. Anyways, I'm just distracted looking at positions. Positions. Yep. Okay. Uh, when you can buy calls, some spy calls for Michelle, maybe. Yep. Yeah, INDO. Yeah, some of these war stocks are coming back to life, Nas. Similar in the same form, bouncing off the 50. Yeah, probably. Any news? Why is it bouncing? I bet you that there's nothing to that other than so if I look at HUBC, right? So if I look at HUBC, um, HUBC is bouncing, right? Recovering. PRZO, similar. Maybe not so much. INDO. So um, yeah, that thing is going back for $6, which is actually quite impressive. There's a lot of resistance at $6, as we know from yesterday, right? So $6 resistance. So be careful there. But I bet you it's just because we still have that stuff happening in the Middle East. So 320. Okay, nice, CM. CM, well done. You're crushing it lately. I like that. I like it a lot, CM. Well done. Well done. Amazing. Really happy for you. Love it. Yeah, some zero DTE calls for Michelle. Yeah, yeah. Oil is oil. Yeah, oil stocks are turning around. Oil. AVTX. Interesting. The oil. La, 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 la. Anyways, let me go back to a smaller time frame on SPY here. We should get Michelle into futures. Michelle should try futures. What do you guys think? Dan, what do you think? Anyways, yeah. Until we get back above the 200 here, I think the S&P is still a bit sketchy. Still a bit sketchy. Open and halted up. Yeah, I saw that alert come through. TWG. Absolutely. Dan. Yeah. Michelle. Futures. So brand new IPO. Top Wealth. I mean, that's the name of the company. They're calling it Top Wealth. So maybe that tells you something. I don't know. Maybe. So TWG, Top Wealth Holdings. These IPOs always halt. Whether that's up or down, they always halt immediately. Lorenzo, you think so? $4? Yeah. I mean, it's giving us a higher low, which is perfect, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Obviously, there's that supply zone right there where it's sitting at 355 to 360. So if it can break above that level, send it. It looks good though, right? We basically came back for the retest of this last breakout, right? And also the 50 EMA. It is? Okay. Yeah. I know nothing about that IPO. I haven't looked at that one, so not really. Yeah, it's doing really well. Doing really well. So congrats again, CM, on the entry for WISA. Good job. Good job. Let's see what happens when it on holds. Yeah. Z on hold. 15. And there it goes back to 74 for WISA. Oh my goodness. Damn. Again, super low float splits, right? These guys did the split yesterday and then they dropped news this morning. So perfect storm. Yep, Boomski is right. Wow. You're going to do well on that today? Yeah, just don't go to make sure you keep moving your stop loss higher and you pay yourself on the way up and you should be fine. So yep, this is why we have to pay attention to these splits, right? 374. Okay. Yeah, I don't really look too much into these dailies when they've done a split, but yeah, 374 is the level that's on the daily. Okay. This candle has about another 10 seconds left on it, so let's see where the next one opens. Another program also, correct? You only need one of those. You only need trader weights. So just if you have trader weights, and then all you need is to get like the accounts, right, on Apex or the other one of the other top step, one of the other brokers. Israel hopes its response to Iran will end exchange of blows. What does that even mean? There goes 85, Wisa. Oof. Yeah. Paper trading for months. Future channels will answer the questions. Yeah. Help yourself. Uh, uh, has there been a response already, or what's going on here? Because that doesn't make any sense. Israel hopes its response to Iranian salvo will end exchange of blows. These guys are like, like It's like when you go to jail, right? So I'm just from my experience, right? It's seriously virus. These guys are like children, like they're like kids. Like they're exchanging rockets and they're spending millions and millions of dollars on rockets and shooting them in the sky, and then they'll land in no man's land. And then the people are living on the streets with no food. And then they're like, I hope this ends the show, and then there are people in that country that will, the houses have been blown up, and where do they live now? In like in camps, in camps. They're begging for food, and then the country's like, you know what? I hope this $2 million rocket that I just sent into the sky. I hope this ends. Anyways, there goes 390. It's yup, yup. Yep. And then the US says, you know what, let me give these guys a $17 billion contract to develop missiles, Yep. Sounds like a good idea, huh? Anyways, whatever. Pablo, I was waiting for someone to ask. I was watching this show. What's that show called again? I was watching this show. It's called why? What's that show called? I don't even remember the name. Uh, Somebody help me out. Anyways, I don't remember the show, so that's my experience, Pablo. I don't remember the name of the show. Unlocked. I think it's called Unlocked or something. And yep. Anyways, yeah. That one too, Joe. That one too. Zoo. You have no hope. Something. Yeah. Uh, there you go. But the media tells us the otherwise. Yep. Yep. Yup. Yup. Every 4 days. Uh, Anyways, WISA just hit 396. So Lorenzo, you wanted $4 for an exit. Make sure you have a stop loss now, though, right? And move that thing way up. Alrighty, you don't want to be 4 cents away from your target and then let it go all the way back to the abyss. So, well done, though. Congratulations. Congratulations. You just sold half. Nice. Well done. Beautiful. Yeah, that thing had a really good breakout. Nice double bottom though, right? So 280, boom, ski. Never look back. $2.80, 95. Sweet. Well done. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. We haven't even made it to 100 likes yet. I don't know why. But yeah, so smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord because you're missing out. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Sign up for Discord Community Legend or Goats. Come join us in Discords. We're going to hop off at some point. And then we're going to go back to Discords already. So again, become a member and come join us. There goes 397, 399, and there's your $4. $4. Was that moved? Rescheduled? Okay, perfect. There goes $4. Damn, that thing is shooting up. On the other half, okay, it executed. It sold. Well done. Well done. That thing is pumping. 420. Sheesh. Damn. $4. for the day. Nice. It's a total of 10 contracts. Yeah. Time to FOMO. Mike, did you FOMO? If you FOMO, you should have made money. If you FOMO, should have made money. You should have stayed in a bit longer. I know. That's okay though. That thing is up 140% and you made money. So just be happy with what you got and go from there. That's why sometimes it's best to just have a tight stop loss and move it up, because you never know how high stock can really go. Right? So you risk a bit more of the gains to potentially capture a bit more upside. Let's go, Jay. Well done. Congratulations. 375 to 428. Good job. Well done. Or just pay for it. You just have to pay for it and go. Maybe don't start with the 100K account, or maybe paper trade for a little bit, Jameson. Just open up ES and paper trade for a bit. Understand how the ins and outs. What most people do is you can watch the S&P and then you can execute your trades. Maybe start with maybe don't start with NQ. Maybe start with something else. But yeah, maybe try smaller accounts, right? One contract only, because that thing will move, Jameson. Maybe don't start with NQ, otherwise we're gonna pick you up from Israel after day one. Yeah, which is a simulator, and yeah, there goes $4.30, 4.35 for WISA. You know I'm better than that, Jameson. Paper trade, like futures will slap you first and then say, "Okay, welcome, welcome to the bridge." Okay, there you go, Jameson. Yeah, it will turn you inside out, steal your organs, then hang you as Christmas decoration on the tree. Seriously. So if you're gonna start out on doing futures, maybe stay away from NQ. The market looks like it wants to bounce, doesn't it? So I hope it does bounce. I love Christmas. 437, Lorenzo. You're crying, aren't you? Lorenzo's like, what? 450, Lorenzo. Sheesh. Yeah, so maybe next time you take profits, like you take profits on half the position, and then on the other half, put a tight stop loss. Like if it's at 395 anyways, put a stop loss at 380, 380 something. If it doesn't hit, you're happy. And then now you aggressively move it up to 330, right? So yeah, next time take profits on half and then put a tight stop loss on the other half. And then go from there. Yeah, the markets are bouncing a little bit, virus. Then at 4, okay. Come on, send it, WISA. Send it, WISA. So again, always pay attention to these splits because they have really nice low floats. Nice low floats. Oof. Oof. 60. Wow. Yeah, the whole market is bouncing, yeah. Ooh, I'm surprised this thing hasn't been halted not once today. Yeah, that's good. That's good. $4.60, 162%. Wow. If you're still holding WISA, type in yes in the chat. Well, maybe not anymore, but yeah, if you're still holding this thing, type in yes. You're still saying WISA. WISA. Because I know some of you guys diamond hand. Yeah, la, la, la. And the same as the from the la, 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 that's what people don't understand. Uh, 60 cents. Let's go, Mike. A little bit, okay. Mm, do I think there will be another bounce? If we can break out again, yes. Every time we break out, the new volume, new money comes in. So if we can break above, if we can either retest and stay above $4, retest this last breakout, or go back up and break about 460, then yes, new monies comes in. Well done, Mike. Well done. Well done. It's been a great day today. Well done. Good jobs. Good jobs. To there you go. Triple bottom broke down trend. Okay. PALI. No, 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 no. See how it's stalling at that 200 now though, like between the 200 and the 50 and the 50, Justin. Right there, right? See how it's stalling there now? It's building a base, like it's building a base. So the two ways I would look at this, Justin, is if you take a gamble right there at $6.30, please set a stop loss at 6.29, right? 1 penny, 2 pennies. That's all you risk. Or I see the green dot, but we'll also like, you know what's more important than the green dot? The 200 and the 50. So these two moving averages are stronger than the green dot. So now, if you wanted to buy this thing at that price, let it reclaim the 200. So break and close above 660. So it's 660 break and close above versus an entry at $6.30 ish, and then stay above 630. So those are the two levels I'd be looking at. That thing said screw your 660 close, and then pop. Justin, I blame you for this one. Yeah, the spread is still crazy though. Yeah, so watch for that thing to close above. The S&P is trying. It's trying. WISA is bouncing up the 50 EMA, but it's still in that supply zone. Iris says, come on, Tesla. Let me know when Tesla's back above 160. KA with a nice pop. Kineta has been granted US patent number, blah, blah, blah. KA, interesting. Okay. Okay, sounds good. $2.99, yeah. Gonna say it again. Become a legend or go to even a month and get the Bobe algo. Yeah, seriously. If you're struggling and you need help, ask for help. Right. So Mike and I had a one-on-one last week, and yeah, we chatted for a while and about entries and exits and stuff and this and that, and Mike has been crushing it. So if you need help, Ask for help. Because you're losing way more money than the membership cost, right? La, 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 la. Uh, no, Canetta. Look at that. Mike is up $6,000 this week. Mike, has your membership been paid for? I mean, the membership sure doesn't cost $6,000 a week, does it? So, yep. And if you need help, ask for help. If you need one-on-one help, ask for help. Right? So, pocket change. Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Membership paid for. So, yep. At some point, we're gonna have like only goats and legends. That's it, right? So, um, legends and goats. So, yep. That's kind of the legends and goats. Because now we have it broken down into two way too many groups. But legends and goats. So yeah, all the services, like all the breaking news stuff, that stuff is going to be legends, and then one-on-ones for goats. Yeah, there will be an uprising. You better get rid of the furus. You better get not get. Oh no, the furus are never going anywhere, ever. Yeah, no furus are furus are not going anywhere. So but furus like is a Discord level though. I mean like on YouTube, like legends and goats. That's it. So na 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 na. Legends and goats. So if you're not a legend yet, become a legend. And if you need more help, become a goat. Alrighty? So eventually. Legends, goats, and furus. Yeah. Na 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 na. Mm, 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 mm. What's PALI doing? Yeah, PALI came right back down into that range again, Justin. Yep, Tesh, welcome back. Is air pumping? Huh, interesting. Let me go look at that name. Let's go take a look. Air. The more Zach Morris does this, though, the more these names become like trash. Keep that in mind, okay? The more he does this, the less likely it is that they run as much as the first one does. So just watch. Like one is gonna go up 250%. The one today went up 160%. Like it's just gonna keep doing that. Air is not doing anything. Air isn't doing anything. So it's going straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. New lows. If new data suggests inflation is more persistent than I currently expect it to be, we will be and hold the current for longer. Yep. PRZO. BO. Pace. Oh, okay. I see what you guys are referring to. And then PRSO. Yep. Yeah, this one's retesting that high of the day here. So $2 and $2.12. If it can close above that, then watch 220. Yeah, the float. Yeah, pays with the news. With the news. Yep, 33 million share float. It's going to need more than 50,000 shares to pump it. That's for sure. It's going to need a lot more than that. Yeah, PRSO looks better. It's at a triple top, but it looks better. Needs to break out. It's trying. Break, hold, and send it. There he goes. New highs of the day. There he goes. AMC's pumping today. Oh my goodness, Jameson. Oh my goodness. And there goes PALI. PALI's right back down to PALI actually made new lows of the day. I hate these stocks, Jameson. Not Jameson. Justin, you know how much I hate these stocks, right? Hate. From number one on the list to dropping to breaking below every moving average known to man. Hate, hate, hate. Hate, hate, hate. No, 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 no. Hate, hate, hate. AMC. Damn, Jameson. Michelle should have bought those AMC calls. Yeah. I mean, it broke below, but then came right back above, Justin. So maybe it's still holding $6.30. Right. WISA came all the way back to $4. So if it can consolidate and curl back above a moving average, and then it's ready to go back up again. But yeah, let it consolidate above $4 first, and then go from there. It's a bit of a letdown. Oh my goodness! Every time. Wow. You guys notice how mean Dan has been lately? I'm telling you, telling you. There goes Wissa. Wissa's like $4. That's all you get. That's all you get, Lorenzo. Back to 420. You guys noticed this lately? Abused. Wow. Anyways, just want to you wanted to reclaim 7? Yeah, maybe it will. The money is racing. Okay, sounds good as well. I know that. I know. I know. There goes 430. 430. So again, we talked about either coming back to retest that initial breakout close to $4 or breaking above $4.60, right? Looks like it did $4 and then back to the upside. Zuzi Azul Zuzi Lace just past $2. Keep on what for news? Okay. Let's go, Jameson. You're up 300%. Imagine if you put a lot of money into those AMC calls. It's up 300% in the last hour. Very nice. I didn't even say anything, James. I haven't said anything. Yeah, Wisa. Yeah, Wisa has done well. He's done well. Really, really well. Yeah, KA is actually doing okay too. Let me pull up KA here. KA announced that they received that patent and the stock is, oof, look at that thing go. I should have pulled this one up sooner, but again, it was posted in Discord, right? So, dang. 50 cents obviously is resistance. And yeah, Lorenzo, yeah, that's okay. Uh, 60. I'm hoping, more so hoping that it stays above 60, and then it's a Friday, and then pump it. 60. Two. Interesting. Wanted to buy 10K shares in the summer, Mike. Rubbish. Rubbish. Too expensive now? Sure. Let me pull up AMC. The markets are bouncing nicely there. AMC. Wow, AMC's up 22 cents today, guys. Look at that. AMC's at 269. This is for Pablo. Pablo, that's for you. This is a number, good number for you to buy. So lows of the day 230, 238 to 269. Not bad, AMC. Not bad. Not bad. We're waiting for Will. Yep. What if AMC actually squeezes this time? Yeah, AMC's actually done well with higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is how the shorts cover though. They cover like this, 22 cents at the time, and then they crash at $5. And then they cover 22 cents, and then they crash another $5. Trash. The 1 hour. Okay, it's loading. Ooh, AMC on the hourly. Ooh, look at that. Damn. Okay, what about the 4 hour? Not as nice. It's one green candle. Not bad though. Not bad. 270 next resistance, Jameson. Not bad. Is the S&P about to go green for the day? 7 cents away. 4 cents away. 3 cents. Meh. See what it does. All the way down? Yeah. Yup, Jameson. Yup. Like the shorts are covering? Yeah, right. Better take your monies and run. The shorts are covering. 0 shares. You do know though, Justin, when you start looking at shares to cover, it's a problem. You know that thing is getting destroyed. Destroyed. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. AMC's at 271. Highs of today. Wow, Jameson. Yeah, so let me know if you have any last questions, NQ. And then we will hop off and continue in Discord. Oh, dang it. I need to sign in because this chart is delayed. Delayed. Yeah. I mean, just by looking at the S&P though, I can see that wick to retesting the 200. Yeah. Oof, what's happening? Why is everything dipping again? Always fun, Jay. Bye for now. See you tomorrow or later today. Again, I'll try and come back later today as usual, but if it's slow, then we can find things to do in Discord. Powell. What's with all these Powell spams here? See you, CM, later. Yeah, I think so too, Dan. I think we're just gonna chop, chop, chop until the goat of criminals comes on to scam us again. The goat of the criminals. Yeah, what is it, 1:15 or whatever the time is? The goat of the scammers. Work to hold third meeting on response to Iran's attack. Yeah, 1:15 Eastern. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. The markets are bouncing again, so we shall see. Thank you, Jay. Enjoy the rest of the day as well. See you in Discord. Alrighty, y'all. We're gonna be in Discord looking at all these names. Nothing's gonna change. We're just not on stream. So, yeah. Smash a like, guys. Smash a like. 8 more people smash a like before you leave, and yeah, there's way more than you. So, if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. Anyways, we will leave it here for today, though. So again, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom there that Dan posted from Nightbonds, and come join us in Discord. If you do become a member after the stream, just send me an email. Email is at the top there, HotTradesX, and I will send you an invite. Just make sure you sign up for the right level. The S&P is back to green now. Interesting. Let's make money's SXTC. Yeah, I'll take a look at this one in Discord. Yeah, it looks like it's curling there. Dan, much love. See you later. Mike, adios. Adios, adios, mi hermanos, mi hermanas. That's my Spanish, Anyways, Azul, let's make money's, please. Jameson, see you in Discord. Virus, no fighting anybody, please. Okay, Nas, get to Discord. Get to Discord, Nas. Telling you, missing out. Big time, Nas. What am I looking for here? Okay. And let's have a wonderful rest of the day. See you in Discords. R7, get to Discord. See you in Discord. And Humble, see you later. Peace. 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 Alrighty, guys. Later. Later. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.